Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of January. And this is the first box that I am receiving for 2022, and I'm really excited about that. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want, and you can indicate in your profile the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from the box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a couple years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. The Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you for the year. So back in 2021, Stitch Fix started doing what they called a fix preview. And so basically that's where they show you 10 items and you can select up to 5 items to be sent to you in your box. For this box, I chose 4 of the 5 items, and then my stylist added an extra item to this fix. I know I selected a couple cardigans from my fix preview, and I think I asked for her to send me a top to go with one of those cardigans because I didn't have anything that would match it. So we're gonna get into the box to see what I got for this month. So when you open up the box, mine is jammed packed. Looks like this. Inside on the side, I have an advertisement for the Freestyle shop, which I have used a couple of times. They just gave me $20 recently to go in and find something in the shop, and so I did select a blouse using that $20, which was really nice. You've also got your prepaid mailer envelope. It's already labeled and ready to go. Shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. So you'll use this bag if there's anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this bag to send things back to Stitch Fix. And then I have my envelope, and inside my envelope is my price invoice sheet. And I'm gonna set that to the side. We'll look at prices here in a little bit, but it is fix number 41 for me. And then I also have my Oh Hello card, which is a note from my stylist, but it also gives me styling suggestions for the items that are in my box. And I'm gonna read my note real quick. It says, "Happy holidays, Jennifer. I'm sure you and your family are excited to get a little time off. I'm also excited for us to head into a new year on this stylish journey, which we are going to make the best year ever. I truly value your thoughtful notes and requests each time. It brightens my day to see your name pop up, and I'm stoked to find you found 4 items from the preview. You can't go wrong with cardigans. We tend to wear them year-round, so you'll get your money's worth. I had a feeling you were going to fall in love with the blue one, which is why I snagged it and the longer inseam bootcut jeans. And as for a top to partner with the blue cardigan, I found the Rainn button back detail top. Even though it's sleeveless, you'll value it, and you can wear it into spring and summer, and the colors are unique. Happy holidays, warm wishes, Kara." And here's my bundle. Got some really pretty colors, and there's that blue cardigan she mentioned, and I think she sent that top to go with that cardigan. And I'm excited about having another pair of jeans that will fit my long inseam. So let's get into it. So on top I have the Rainn Angelyne button back detail top, and it says it's in coral. I guess it just has some coral throughout it, but it's mostly, well, it's got quite a bit of coral. But you've got this really pretty lace detail at the top. Got some meshing right here at the top. It's got some navy blue. I guess that's kind of like a reddish coral color. You've got some light blue, and then you've got this pattern down here at the bottom. Feels like a polyester blouse. It does have a small keyhole here at the top, and it does have a split down at the very bottom. And she sent this to go with the blue cardigan that I selected. I do not mind a sleeveless blouse as long as I have a cardigan to go over top of it, so that's pretty. I do think this would be a good top for now, but you could also wear it in spring, summer. So basically you could wear this top all year round. We'll see how it looks with the cardigan. And then next I have the Love Ellie Wells Confetti cardigan in dark purple. And so I selected this cardigan. I just thought it was really pretty with a little confetti flecks, so I think it's going to go with a lot. Now I do have a purple cardigan, but this one seems to be a lot darker than the one I have. So it's really soft. It's an open front, no buttons or anything like that. 2 pockets. Very, very soft. No splits or anything. Oh yes, it does have a split on the side right there. So both sides have a split. So I do think that's a nice cardigan that will go with a lot because of the different colors in the confetti spots. Next is by Evolution by Cyrus, the Noreen ribbed open cardigan in blue. And I like this cardigan because it's a color I don't have for a cardigan. It is blue, but it almost has like some black spots running through it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really pretty. It's not as soft as the purple cardigan. It does have the ribbing on the sleeve, and it's got some ribbing going down the side. Let's see, pockets. It does not have pockets. So yeah, I just really like the color. It's pretty close to the color I have on today, but it's really pretty. Next is by Fortune and Ivy, the Amalia long sleeve knit top in pink. And this is really, really soft. I don't know that, I mean, I guess it's a very light pink, but it's got that heathered look to it. So it kind of almost looks taupe, but it is pink. It's got ruching on the sleeves. I think the sleeves are going to be a full-length sleeve. It's got some of that ribbing down at the bottom on the hemline. It's a lightweight pullover, so I think it would be nice, but it's really soft and feels like it's going to be cozy. So that's really cute. It's also got that ribbing up here at the top. I like that. And then lastly, I have the Democracy Kathryn Bootcut Distress Jean in indigo. And I have the same pair of jeans, but in a darker wash, so I'm kind of glad she sent me this medium wash. It does have some fading in the thigh area. It is just a boot cut. Now it says it's distressed, but it doesn't have a lot of distressing. It just has a little bit right here on the pocket. I don't really see any distressing anywhere else, so kind of lighter on the back side too. So yeah, I'm excited about those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the first 2 items, and on top I have by Fortune and Ivy the Amalia long sleeve knit top in pink, and on bottom I have the Democracy Kathryn Bootcut Distress Jean in indigo. So let's start with this top first. It is so soft. It is very thin. It's lightweight. I love the little ribbing detail right here. It's got the cute little ruching on the sleeves. It's so soft. It's got the ribbing right here, kind of rounds on the hemline here. Same thing on the back. So it is that brush knit fabric, but I tend to wash mine inside out, and I do not have a lot of trouble with them pilling because I don't dry my items. I always hang them to dry, so I think this is really cute. It does say it's pink, but I think it has like a kind of a taupe or grayish kind of look to it, but I do think this would be a good item for like dressing up or dressing down. All right, so the jeans fit really well, which they should. I have the exact same pair, just in a different, like a dark wash. And so the length is excellent. I have a 33 to 34 inch inseam, so the length is perfect. What do you guys think? I think these 2 items are really cute. This is like comfy and casual, but also really soft and cozy. I could wear it to work with some dress pants, or I could dress it down casually with some jeans. So I'm gonna try on the top with the blue cardigan, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the next 2 items, and I have on the cardigan. This is the Evolution by Cyrus Noreen ribbed open cardigan. And then I have the top that she sent to go with it. It's by Rainn, the Angelyne button back detail top in coral. All right, let's start with the cardigan. I love this blue color. I'm gonna get close so you can see it. Like I said, it has like little flecks of black in there, if you can see that. It's a gorgeous color. It's soft, but it's not as soft as the purple cardigan, but it is stretchy. I wonder what it's made of. All right, so it says that it is made 82% polyester, 43% acrylic, and I think that's 8% spandex. And it says hand wash cold, flat to dry, warm iron if needed. So the length of the sleeves is really nice. I do love this color. It does have that ribbing detail here on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's also got the sleeves are ribbed. And then there's ribbing going down. So your ribbing goes like it's going vertical this way, but on this little strip right here, it's going horizontal. The ribbing is going in different directions on different parts of the cardigan. But like I said, it is soft, it is stretchy, no pockets though. I do wish it had pockets, but it's not a deal breaker for me. She told me to put it with this top, and I have mixed feelings about putting this top with this cardigan, but you guys tell me what you think. I don't know that I love the top with this cardigan. I mean, I think it matches, but I don't know that that's something I would have put with this cardigan. When I saw this cardigan in the freestyle part of my Stitch Fix app, it did have it paired with one of the tops that I have, so I think I'm gonna try putting this blue cardigan with that top that I saw it with in the freestyle. But let's talk about this top real quick. So it has this kind of lace detail here. It's got some meshing right here at the top. So it's a dark navy right here. You've got this coral orange right here. To me, it's almost like a red orange. And then you've got the dark blue and the white and then the really, really light blue. It almost reminds me of summer. It does have some slips on the side right here. And it does have a split back here with some buttons back here, but you can't really see the fabric buttons because it blends into the fabric really, really well. I like the length. I like that it hangs lower in the back to cover my bottom. Like I said, I just don't know that I would definitely pair it with that cardigan, but you guys tell me what you think. It feels like it's just like a polyester top, which I don't mind. I do think this top is pretty. I just don't know that the cardigan is what I would put with it. But you guys let me know what you think. I'm going to try that cardigan with a different top, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the same cardigan, but I wanted to pair it the way that I saw it in the freestyle section of the app. And so I have this leopard print blouse by Lush. It's just a cream blouse with a black print. And I think it pairs really nicely with this blue cardigan. What do you guys think? Do you prefer this one or the orange and navy blouse that my stylist sent to me? You guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see. I feel like this type of blouse kind of pairs well with just about anything. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it on with the purple cardigan, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last item, and it is this cardigan by Love Ellie, the Wells Confetti cardigan in dark purple. And this is another stretchy cardigan. It's softer than the other one. Not that the other one isn't soft, but this one is softer. It has the little confetti flecks in it, which I think are really cute. So it kind of would match a lot of different colors that you put underneath of it. I just paired it with this top because I thought it would go well with it. It does have the pockets. It's a nice length. Has the slips up on the side. I have another purple cardigan, but this one is darker. This one's almost like leaning towards like a purple and a brown mixed together. So I like the fact that it's a little bit darker than the other one that I have. Actually, I think it goes really cute with this top. What do you guys think? Look at all those different colors in there. It's really pretty. There's like green and pink and blue and orange, just a little bit of everything in there. I think it's just really cute. All right. I definitely think I have some keepers in my box, so I'm gonna get changed and I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And the first thing on my list is by Rainn, the Angelyne button back detail top in coral. And Rainn pieces can be pricey. It's $68. I do think this is a really pretty top. It had that really pretty mesh and lace detail at the top. I just don't know that I love it with the cardigan. Like one moment I would think, yeah, that looks really good with the cardigan. And the next minute I was like, maybe that's too much coral with the cardigan. But you guys tell me what you think. I do like the top. I just need to decide if I like it with that cardigan or not. Next is the blue cardigan. And this is by Evolution by Cyrus, a Noreen ribbed open cardigan in blue, and it is also another pricey item. It's $68. I love the color of this cardigan. If I don't keep that blouse, I'll probably send this cardigan back. So I have to decide, am I gonna make this a 5 for $5 or am I gonna send these 2 items back? But I think it's a pretty cardigan. I think it went well with the animal print top. I just need to decide if I'm gonna keep that blouse, and if I do, I'll keep this. If I don't, I might send this one back, but you tell me what you think. Next was by Love Ellie, the Wells Confetti cardigan in dark purple, and this is $48. I love the colors in this cardigan. I just think it's so pretty with all those little specks and different colors, and you can put a lot of different colors underneath to bring out those little confetti specks. It's a really pretty color. I tend to gravitate towards purples and pinks and things like that. So, like I said, good price, $48. Next is the cheapest item in the box. It's by Fortune and Ivy, the Amalia long sleeve knit top in pink. And like I said, it's not a significant pink. It's kind of like almost like a taupey pink, but it's really pretty. Has a super soft texture, so you have to be careful when you're washing it, I'm sure. But I think it's a really pretty color. I love that it's lightweight, but still cozy and comfortable. I like the ruching on the sleeves, and like I said, this is the cheapest item, and it's $40. And then last but not least was the Democracy Kathryn Bootcut Distressed Jean in Indigo, and these are $78, and that's the expected price for Democracy jeans. I love how Democracy jeans fit me, and I love that they come in that long inseam. These are 34-inch inseam, and they fit me perfectly. So, and I don't have any of this medium wash in my jeans, so I think these are definitely going to be a keeper. And like I said, they're $78. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $302. If you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount, which will take off $75.50, which leaves me with an order subtotal of $226.50. I don't have any credits or anything like that, so that would be my final cost for this box, which I don't think is a bad price for 5 really nice items, because you got 2 cardigans, a pair of jeans, a pullover, and a really nice blouse. So you guys tell me what you think. If you've never tried Stitch Fix, I highly recommend it. I have had a lot of success with getting items from Stitch Fix. That's pretty much all that's in my closet right now, and I love the convenience that I don't have to go out into the shopping malls and go into the dressing rooms and try anything on. It's just really super convenient. So my whole family does Stitch Fix. So we get boxes for my husband, my daughter, and for myself. So I'm going to leave that referral link in the description box below. If you click on that link, it should give you $25, sometimes it'll be $50, but I'll put that in the video title if it's a $50 referral link. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know, and let me know, do you think I should keep that top and that blue cardigan, or do you think I should send them back? All right, guys, until next time, bye.